whatever figure is drawn by pencil is boundary. The length boundary is known as circle. The length of boundary is known as the circumference. Fixed point, so taken initially, is known as the center. This point is known as the center of circle. Line segment joining center to circumference is known as the radius. The part of circle taken in the anti-clockwise direction is known as the arc. Arc is a part of circle which is taken in anti-clockwise direction. If I say AB, AB means this arc. If I say BA, BA means this bigger one. So now question comes that what is the degree measure? I am drawing one more circle here in order to explain you. Center is O. This is an arc AB taken in anti-clockwise direction. If these end points of arc are joined to center, this part is known as central angle, or we say it is the degree measure. If this degree measure, if the degree measure of circle is less than 180, then corresponding arc is known as minor arc. And if degree measure, if I take here, if degree measure is greater than 180 degree, then we say it is the major arc. Now question comes, if degree measure is exactly equal to 180 degree, if degree measure is equal to 180 degree, we say it is the semi arc, or we say it is the semi circle. Now I want to tell you what is the diameter, sector and segment in a circle. If I take a circle with center point O, then I want to tell you what is a chord. Line segment joins any 2 points of the circumference is known as the chord. This is the chord. Chord is a line segment which joins any 2 points. This is the chord of a circle. About the property of chord, I want to tell you, if this is another chord, suppose CD, and this is a center, then there are two results. Result A, when midpoint of chord is joined to center, it will be perpendicular altitude. Or if you say this is another chord and you have drawn perpendicular from here, so the converse of this property is that this will meet it at midpoint. So if in a circle a midpoint of chord is joined to the center, then it is perpendicular. Or if the perpendicular from center to chord is drawn, then it has to meet it at which point? Midpoint. So there are two results. What is a chord is clear. Chord is the line segment joining the 2 points of the circumference. Next, if midpoint of chord is joined to the center, it is perpendicular, or if perpendicular on the chord is drawn, it will bisect the chord. So if I club these two, you can understand that if there are two non-parallel chords and you have drawn the perpendicular bisector, these two line segments will meet at the center of circle. Now the major thing is, what is the sector? Now question comes, what is a sector? Suppose I have a circle, you have an idea, you have center, and circle has an arc, suppose AB. And when you join the end points of the arc to the center, then whatever part is enclosed between two bounding radii and an arc is known as a sector. So what is the sector? Sector is the shape when the two end points of an arc are joined to the center of circle, then the portion so enclosed between two bounding radii and corresponding arc is known as a sector. Number one. Then comes, what is a segment? If we talk about segment, if we have drawn a chord, suppose it is PQ and this is the corresponding arc, then whatever portion is enclosed between the chord and arc, this is known as the segment. But we find segments are of two types. One is the major segment, other is the minor segment. So question comes, what is the major segment? If the degree measure of the arc is less than 180, then it is a minor segment. If the degree measure is less than 180 degree, then the segment corresponding to the arc will be what? Minor. If the degree measure is more than 180, if the degree measure is more than 180 degree, then the segment is known as the major segment. I am showing here by an example that AB is a chord and this is the minor segment, whereas remaining part of this circle is the major segment. This is the major segment, and this one lower one where I am putting crosses is the minor segment. So there are two segments, but in case if this chord become the diameter, then the circle is classified in two equal parts, then we say it is the semicircle. But an important result, interesting fact, that whenever we draw, if it is a circle and I have drawn a diameter, diameter is the longest chord passing through the center, then what is this AOB? Somebody says it is a sector. I say he or she is right, because sector is a part of circle enclosed between two bounding radii. One radii is OA, another is OB and NR. So semicircle is what? Sector also. Someone says it is a segment. I say you are also right. Reason being AB is a chord. Portion enclosed between chord and corresponding arc is known as what? Segment. So it is segment also. And why it is semicircle? Because diameter separates a circle in two equal halves. So semicircle is having all three names. Semicircle, number one, it is sector also with degree measure 180 degree, and this is what more also? Segment also, because two bounding radii in this case are collinear. So we say they are opposite radii, that's why it is segment also. So now question comes, how we find the areas of sectors and segments. In order to find the area of sector, you need to remember that area of sector, this is a circle I am showing here, and this, if this is a circle, this point is O, this is A, this is B, you want to find the area of sector, you must know what is theta. Area of sector of circle is given by theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. You must know what is pi r square, area of circle. So area of circle's formula you can memorize, it is pi r square. In case you want to find the length of arc, the formula for calculating the length of arc is theta upon 360 2 pi r. Or you can say, if 2 will cancel 360, we will get the result in the simplest form, theta upon 180 degree into pi r. Suppose if someone asks you that what is the area of sector, if length of arc and radius is given, the formula is half into L into R. That is half length of arc, where L stands for what? L stands for the length of arc. Formula for finding the length of arc is theta upon 362 pi r, or theta upon 180 degree into pi r. Now question is, what is the 2 pi r? It is known as the length of circumference. So we say circumference of circle is given by 2 pi r. Now I will explain you how to find the area of segment.